Welcome to the channel. I'm Michelle, the Mouthpiece. Hear the word of the Lord. We are standing at the threshold of a massive structural realignment. The Lord is shaking the foundations of what we have relied on, and He is calling His people into a season of strategic transition and concealment. Do not fear the shifting of the atmosphere, for He is refining your discernment. He is causing you to look past the superficial outer courts and the artificial gold of this world to discover what is truly life-giving and ordained for your destiny. Buy the truth and sell it not. Look closely at what is feeding your spirit, your household, and your ministries, for you shall not live by bread alone, but by every single word that proceeds directly from the mouth of the Lord. He is calling His chosen ones up to a higher place, to a place of refuge and preparation. Know that the shifting in your homes and the shaking of your bloodlines is not unto destruction, it is unto order. For those who have stumbled under the weight of the pressure, hear the decree of the Lord. You have not fallen. Temporary instability is not defeat. He has held you in the palm of His hand, and He is completing the deep cleansing that is a necessary processing of your heart, even in the places that you think are hidden from view. His timing is absolute, and His covenant remains secure. So wake up, watchmen, position yourselves on the wall, for this is a season of heightened spiritual warfare and rapid tactical movement in the realm of the Spirit. He has not called us to engage in unauthorized battles born out of our own strength. He has called us to stand alert, to watch, to discern, and to move strictly according to His instruction. Do not move impulsively. There are moments when He will pull us beneath the surface into supernatural preservation, hiding us in His pavilion until the storm passes. Your safety is found in your absolute surrender to the command of the Lord. Look across the horizon. His army is lining up in perfect formation. He's establishing divine order and positioning His leaders exactly where they belong for global kingdom assignments. The enemy has tried to weaponize offense and unleash a brutal assault against your identities because he is terrified of your destiny. But He is stripping away the false names, the labels of rejection, and the traumas of your past. He is calling you by your true name and declaring over you, you are His. He is releasing a mandate to His command centers to look upon those who have been bent double with abuse, shame, and institutional silence. Just as He broke the spirit of infirmity over the woman bound for 18 years, He is releasing a holy activation to bind up the brokenhearted and proclaim liberty to the captives. You are being commissioned to help the wounded heal, to command the silenced to find their voice, and to cause the broken to stand fully upright in their sovereign authority. Though the atmosphere is filled with warfare, His perimeter around you is secure. He is positioning you, He is protecting you, and He is preserving you to impact the nations. So arise, shake off the dust of the transition, and execute your mantle, because the victory has already been secured. So arise, go forth, watch, declare, possess, and occupy.